First thing you guys should all do every day on the 2 to 3 stocks that you watch every day. You're going to come in, you're going to mark pre-market high, pre-market low, end of day high, end of day low on previous day. This is going to set you up to get you going. And then we're going to start watching some of these key critical areas. SPY right now, so you can see it clearly. The closer we get to 596.50 resistance, bottom end support, it bled all the way out 589. So we'll just say 590. Closer you get to 590 because it's always going to be off, right, by 20 to 40 cents with SPY. So 590. This is your range. This is your trading range. As it develops throughout the day, we will keep an eye on it. Nobody gets silly. If this breaks VWAP, you can see the 200s right here. So if this broke VWAP in the 200, I'm going downside with it. I'm going to short it or buy puts. This breaks above 596.50, I'm going to go long and make sure that that stays as support. We need to make sure we understand these levels. If this breaks down below here, we could get a gap down all the way back down to pre-market low. Pre-market low at 590 is going to be support. It doesn't mean it's going to stay there, but you already know everybody in the world is going to be watching for it. So if it does get down there, I will be watching for a bounce at 590. You should already know your game plan. You should already chart it out. You should already be looking at it. If you're a paid member, you already got all the pre-market setups. We already told you every key area. You've already got the hot stock picks that are already running and that we've already been making money on together if you're a VIP member. We set you up for success every day here. You need to take advantage of it.